There's a feature on the iPhone called Lookup, and it works really good for taking pictures of plants and trees and lots of other objects as well. And the iPhone will actually do a search to find what it is you took a picture of. Let me give you an example. I'm going to go to my camera, and I'm just going to do this from my computer. There's a picture of a Japanese maple. I'm going to take a picture of that picture. Click. Now, I go click on the picture, and notice the eye at the bottom of the screen just changed to an icon of a plant. And it's got a little stars on it. So if I click on the eye, which is typically only going to give you information about the photo, when you took it, where you took it, et cetera, but you can also see up top the little plant leaf and the words lookup, and it tells me that's a Japanese maple. Pretty decent little feature. It works very well most of the time and very useful when you're looking at a plant and you're wondering what kind of plant it is. In order to have that work, you have to do this. Let me come out of this. Let me go into settings. In settings, you have to go to Siri and search. So from the top page of settings, scroll down to Siri and search, click on that. In Siri and search, scroll down to content from Apple. Show in lookup. So this is what you turn on, show in lookup, so that Apple can show you content when you're looking up text or objects in photos. It'll bring up and with Apple content that it did a search on and tell you what you're looking at. Again, it's really great to use. When you've taken a photo, you'll know it's enabled, and you'll know that Apple has discovered information about it if you have the stars around the eye and you click on it and it tells me it's a Japanese maple.